check on that hot forecast.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, we've got some heat again for today, and things are going to be changing. I think the heat wave is peaking that we're in right now, and storms, they are back very soon. Let's take a look at where we're at right now. In fact, we're just a few degrees lower than we were this time yesterday. We're in the upper 80s, dew points in the upper 70s, right at 99 for that feels like temperature. But your max for the feels like temperature today, I think some spots could get up to 110. It's just like the last couple of days, but a lot of us are going to stay in that 105 to maybe 109 range, right there at that heat advisory criteria that the National Weather Service gives out. So I think that this is going to look a lot similar to the last couple of days. And Shelby, you and I were just talking about this. A forecast high, actual temperature, so without the heat index, is 95 degrees. The average high for today is 92, but the record is 99 from 2015. These numbers are really not far from each other, 7 degrees from the average, and the record tells you we don't fluctuate a lot this time of year. So this is not record-breaking heat here, and even if it were, it's not something that soars off the charts that would give us something that we're not used to feeling this time of year. So that's important to put that into context. We're going to keep these temperatures a little more elevated above average for a couple of days here, and then we'll see them fall a bit below that average line. There's your average line. We'll see them fall a little bit, and that's because we're going to increase that rain potential over the next few days. So for today, we're mainly dry. You will see an isolated shower pop up on this map around the lake, around the coastal areas. That's normal for this time of year. Then we move into Thursday. Thursday will start off dry, but we've got some energy falling in from the north. That's going to give you a better flare up in the afternoon. This is very hit or miss. It's not a guarantee that you're going to see some storms. We've got about a 40% chance that you'll see a shower or storm, but if you do, it will help to cool you down. Moving into Friday, more of the same. You start off dry, and then you're going to have a chance for some showers and thunderstorms that will flare up in the afternoon, still having the first half of the day the ability to heat up, heat and humidity. So both of these days we could see a strong storm or two. We'll have enough fuel in the atmosphere, if you will, with all that heat and humidity, and they don't move a lot. So that flood threat is still there. It's isolated, but it's certainly still there here for Thursday and into Friday. But the rain chances start to increase over the weekend. Here is how that looks. I've got 60% chance there starting on Saturday, but some latest data that I've been looking at, we might drop this a little bit for the weekend. Regardless, we're still heading into a stormy pattern, and it's much more elevated there for Sunday, Monday, and into Tuesday. So I'll show you why. What's happening. Here's a trough to our northeast. There's that heat ridge we've been talking about a lot. This is the reason why we've seen such hot temperatures, or at least a little more elevated in our temperatures. But this trough drops a boundary. We also have little impulses that come around this as well that we have to watch after. But just this feature and the high pushing a little farther to the west, that's going to allow for better chances for those pop-ups in Thursday and Friday. You saw that on that high-res model that I just showed you. And then we move into the weekend, and we'll have reinforcements for that rain potential, and what that is going to be this low falling in from the north. Anytime you have a trough that digs in like this, that's going to be a recipe for better rain chances for Sunday into Monday, quite possibly into Tuesday. This low, I have had some models have this low kind of meander a little bit around this region, and that could keep us in more of a stormier regime here heading into next week. Regardless, we're not under any kind of heat dome influence for the first part of next week at least. I think once we go into more of a stormy pattern, we stay there for a few days. And the next 7 days worth of rain potential from the Weather Prediction Center really shows that as well. You can make out a lot with this map. Here's high pressure. When you have high pressure, it doesn't mean you don't have any rain. You just have suppressed rain chances. There are some areas that won't see a drop of rain over the next 7 days in Texas. There are those little impulses riding around that rim of high pressure, and then there's that front that hangs out for a few days. We're kind of in the middle of all of that, and that's why we have a little bit more of an active pattern as we move into Thursday, Friday, and especially into the weekend. There's your potential for rainfall, maybe a couple of inches, but if you have a strong storm, I always like to say, you get a strong storm, you can see those heavier downpours that could give you that isolated street flooding. There's your forecast for the next 7 days. That's how all that looks put together, and those temperatures on some of these days with the higher rain chances, they could fall to the upper 80s for daytime highs. Back to you, Rob.
Well, I was just thinking